What's the most terrifying thing in the universe? I'll tell you, it's the Great Attractor. Imagine you're swimming in the ocean and suddenly you realize you're being pulled. You can't see what's pulling you, you can't stop it, and it's dragging you faster and faster towards something in the distance. That's exactly what's happening to us right now, except replace the ocean with space and replace you with our entire galaxy. Right now, the Milky Way is racing towards something at over 2 million kilometers per hour, and we've been doing this for millions of years without even noticing. We discovered this monster in the 1970s when astronomers noticed something was off. Galaxies weren't moving the way they should according to the Big Bang. Instead of drifting apart evenly, everything in our cosmic neighborhood was being yanked in the same direction. Thousands of other galaxies, all caught in the same invisible current. So, what is it? We don't really know. The Great Attractor sits behind something called the zone of avoidance, a region so packed with dust and stars from our own galaxy that we can't see through it. We're being pulled by something we can't see, can't understand, and can't escape.